this November 11th. It's now December. Alexa, what's the date?
It's Wednesday, December 12th, 2018.
December 12th. So I ordered this November 11th, got it December 12th. Took quite a long time. So if you're looking to get a phone real quick, you might try Amazon. And I'll put a link in the description. Right. Alright, let's break into this box here. Everybody's seen an unboxing of this, so we'll make it pretty quick. Everybody knows pretty much the specs. I was kind of concerned about this. It looks like my brick is for Europe. I don't know if there's a way to change that out. I have to use one of my own because this is not going to work in America. T-Mobile, so we'll throw the SIM card in and see what kind of speeds we're getting. I hear that we're not getting LTE, so I might not be using this phone, but I did also order the Exodus 1 that I paid with cryptocurrency. Paid with Litecoin with it, and we'll do a comparison with the two once I get that phone as well. But this is the unboxing of the Poco F1, and once we get it all fired up, we'll do another video. Alright, thank you. So out of the box, let's see if this will fire up. This is always a fun part when you remove the screen protector that comes from the factory. Okay, so going from the ZTE Blade to the Pocophone F1, pretty comparable to the size. This one's a little slimmer. Put it on top. Go ahead and take out the SD card here, or the SIM card. T-Mobile. And we'll power back on. Alright, so we got the SIM card in, and as you can see, let me try to it does say 4G, no LTE obviously, but in the bars. So the phone that's recording this right now is my phone, which is can't show you the difference right now, but you are getting 4G, and let's try to make a call to this phone that I'm using. So we are able to make and receive calls. Just go ahead and cancel that. And I need to download the speedtest.net. Alright, first speed test with the Wi-Fi. We have 100 over 100, so let's see what happens here. Not bad for the Wi-Fi. Can't guarantee the Wi-Fi speeds, you know, being wireless, and the servers. So, I mean, that's pretty decent, yeah? Now let's turn off the Wi-Fi here. And now we are on 4G again. And again, we are in Oregon, in the Portland area, suburb of Portland, Hillsboro. And we will try this again. Let me get out of here. T-Mobile is saying 3G down here. We'll do a speed test again. Pretty typical, and that's what I was expecting until they get the LTE band in there. So this phone is going to go to my wife, which is she's okay with it. She's a homemaker and stays home. So she's mainly on the Wi-Fi, and be doing some field testing with this out of the house to check it out, but that's our first speed test with the T-Mobile SIM card here in Oregon. So 8.5 and 1.29. Pretty crappy if you ask me, but I mean, the phone's going to be great, and we'll try it out, and if it doesn't work, then we will definitely go back to what we were using. But this is basically our first flagship phone, cheap flagship, and once we get the Exodus 1, I will do a side-by-side comparison. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.